Welcome to Phone Breakdown. In this video, we'll compare the Oppo A6 Pro and the Infinix Note 50 Pro 4G. Let's see which one will win in this comparison and find out which one is better. Let's get started. Oppo A6 Pro features a 6.57-inch display, while Infinix Note 50 Pro 4G comes with a slightly larger 6.78-inch screen. Both phones use bright AMOLED panels, delivering vivid colors and deep contrast. A6 Pro packs 1080 by 2372 pixels, and the Note 50 Pro 4G offers a bit more at 1080 by 2436 pixels. Both look sharp. A6 Pro runs at 120 Hz, while Note 50 Pro 4G pushes it further to 144 Hz for extra smooth motion. Peak brightness reaches 1400 nits on A6 Pro and 1300 nits on Note 50 Pro 4G, both great for daylight viewing. A6 Pro uses AGCDT Star-D Plus glass, while Note 50 Pro 4G features a flat glass front for protection. Oppo A6 Pro is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300, while Infinix Note 50 Pro 4G runs on MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate, built on 6nm tech. Both devices have octa-core processors, but A6 Pro offers slightly better overall CPU performance. For graphics, both use Mali G57 MC2, so gaming performance is nearly identical. A6 Pro comes in 6, 8, or 12GB RAM variants, while Note 50 Pro 4G offers 8 and 12GB options. A6 Pro has 128 or 256GB storage, whereas Note 50 Pro 4G comes with 256GB built in. A6 Pro supports a memory card slot, while the Note 50 Pro 4G does not. Both phones feature a 50-megapixel main camera, f1.8 on A6 Pro and f1.9 on Note 50 Pro 4G. A6 Pro adds a 2-megapixel depth lens, while Note 50 Pro 4G includes an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for broader shots. A6 Pro records 1080p videos up to 120 frames per second, while Note 50 Pro 4G supports 1440p at 30 frames per second and even 1080p at 240 frames per second. A6 Pro has a 16-megapixel wide lens, while Note 50 Pro 4G offers a sharper 32-megapixel front camera. Both phones record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second from the front. A6 Pro packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery, while Note 50 Pro 4G comes with a 5,200 mAh unit. Charging speed is 80 watts on A6 Pro and 90 watts on Note 50 Pro 4G, a slight edge for Infinix. A6 Pro features a plastic frame, while Note 50 Pro 4G steps up with a glass front and aluminum frame. A6 Pro measures 158.2 by 75 by 8 mm. Note 50 Pro 4G is taller at 163.3 by 74.4 by 7.3 mm. A6 Pro weighs 185 grams, while Note 50 Pro 4G is a bit heavier at 198 grams. Both phones come with stereo speakers for a balanced audio experience. Neither of them includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. A6 Pro supports 5G connectivity, while Note 50 Pro 4G runs on 4G LTE. Both offer Wi-Fi 802.11 support, and the Infinix adds dual-band connectivity. NFC is available on both phones for contactless features. Each device has an under-display optical fingerprint scanner for secure unlocking. A6 Pro includes accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Note 50 Pro 4G adds heart rate, SpO2, and virtual proximity sensors as extras. And that wraps up today's breakdown. Here is the final result of the comparison. Tell us in the comments below which one you think is better and why. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Phone Breakdown, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest mobile comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.